Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with Rendell RV. Today I'm going to take you around a 2021 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte. Model number is a 19RBHL. It's around 23 foot long, 4,900 pounds. Oversized compartment door there. Solar prep, backup camera prep. Spot to mount an outside TV, speakers, electric awning, some lights underneath there. It's got the spread axles, aluminum wheels. It's got the new solid step. So it's got one slide out. It's got some nice Thomas Paine recliners in that slide out. Shot of the front bed, queen size. Get more storage underneath there. Down below comes with the TV, 2 wardrobes, some overhead storage. It's got all your blackout roller shades. Here's your kitchen area. Big drawers there. There is the table mount. So for your recliners, also you'll get a table mount. Goes there, and the table is underneath the bed. There's your DVD player, sound system. Spray faucet, undermounted sink. You got storage and an oven, recessed cooktop, 3-burner stove. It's a 10.7 ever chill refrigerator, and a big pantry over here. There you go. And you get the restroom in the back. Shut up the shower. So yeah, this is a 2021 19RBHL. If you're interested, check us out online, RendelRV.com, or call us 903-326-4080.